In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page on Squarespace. Let's get started right from your site dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Website. This takes you into the main area where you manage your site's structure and content. Think of it as your control center. From here, you can see what's live, what's in progress, and where everything sits in your navigation. Next, click Pages. This is where your site's navigation lives. You'll typically see sections like main navigation for the pages that appear in your site menu, and sometimes a not linked area for pages that exist on your site but aren't shown in the main navigation. If you're not sure where your new page should live yet, that's okay. You can always move it later by dragging it to a different section. To create a new page, look for the plus icon. It usually appears near the section where you want the page to go. Click that plus icon to open your page options. You'll see choices for different kinds of content, but for a clean start, choose Add Blank. A blank page gives you complete control over layout and content, and it's perfect if you want to design the page from scratch rather than starting with a preset. After selecting Add Blank, choose Page. This tells Squarespace you're creating a standard page rather than a special collection type like a blog or a store. It's ideal for things like a About page, a services page, or a contact page you plan to customize yourself. Now, name the page. Type a clear, descriptive title. This title typically appears in your site's navigation and helps visitors understand what they'll find there. Keep it short and specific. For example, About, Services, or Contact. As a heads up, Squarespace also uses this name to generate the page's URL, which you can edit later if needed. Don't worry if you change your mind. You can always rename the page or reorder it in your navigation. Finally, click Edit. This opens the page editor so you can start designing. You'll see a clean canvas where you can add sections, insert text, images, buttons, and more using the on-screen controls. Take a moment to glance around the editor so you're comfortable with where things are. You can build your layout section by section, keep your content organized, and refine the look as you go. That's it. You've added a new page to your Squarespace site. You now know exactly where to find your site structure, how to create a blank page, and how to open it for editing so you can make it your own.